Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Rob. Thanks for tuning in to the Rob's Knowledge YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to spice up your cup of great value cookies and cream ice cream. So cookies and cream ice cream on its own is quite delectable, but there's one simple step you can follow to make it even much more scrumptious. Dun, 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 dun. What we're going to do is we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of some great value peanut butter. Just plop that baby on top of there and spread it around. And now you have peanut butter, cookies and cream, ice cream. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you learned something today. Until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.